back live. That crowd interaction makes you powerful and made you strong. Some came home, and some still watch for mine. Brotherhood and we blood runs deep inside. Feeding heart with Yorkshire pride. Side by side, wherever we roam, across the world, that bond our home. From the islands where the ocean sings, to the regiment where the bugle rings. Different routes but one green line, one heartbeat, one state of mind. Europe streets and training grounds, worldwide tours in different towns. Shoulder to shoulder, flag held high, under every foreign sky. When the pressure rises and the road get tight, one word brother and we alright. No man forgotten, no name erased, every sacrifice embraced. Iraq's on an Afghan there, heavy loads but we still there. Some of our brothers never came back, their memory strong. We carry that in every laugh and every song, in every place where we belong. Their spirit marching by our side in Yorkshire rain and island tide. From Europe tours to desert sand, we cross the seas in every land. Together strong, together wide, worldwide brothers side by side. From Fiji shores to Yorkshire land, we still feel every brother's hand. Though some now rest beyond our sight, their flames still burning bright. Across the world, hand in hand. For the ones who fail, we say their names. Their light still lives in our flames. Brotherhood and we blood, can't wash away. Through every night and every day, Bula spirit, regiment.